welcome back to my channel. It's me, Fiers, Femme, Shamika, whichever one you want to call me. And today we are coming back with a self-care Sunday routine, or just self-care. As you know, I have TSW. I've been having TSW for like a year and 7 months, but I've been in steroid withdrawal for 7 months now, and my skin is doing much better than the first month, so it's getting better slowly. But I started to work on the marks on my face and this area where my hair fell out, because you know, the rash had went into my edges and my entire head, but it really messed up my edges because they had just started to grow back from other things. So today I'm going to be working on a mask, and what we're going to be working with is, today we're going to be working with hibiscus, and we're going to mix that with our bentonite clay. And that will be a powerful mask to pull everything out and to give us vitamin C. And it's antibacterial and it has a lot of good properties. I will drop everything in the video. You know, I like to write everything down. And then we are going to do, or I think I'm going to do a scrub first. I'm going to do a scrub because my forehead is peeling. You can't see that right now because I have some oil on, but the skin is peeling just like how it peeled everywhere else. And so I'm going to use baking soda to make a scrub with some apple cider vinegar and some water so that I could get some of this dead skin off of my face. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this hibiscus in my spoon. I'm going to take this amount and add it to the bowl. I think I'm going to do two of those, so that's 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons, right? 2 tablespoons. I don't know why I always mix those up. But anyways, we're gonna put that, and then we'll get Aztec. Like, I lost my train of thought. We're gonna put, I think I'm gonna put 1 of this because I want majority to be the hibiscus. And from what I read about it, hibiscus has vitamin C. It's great for eczema, psoriasis, psoriasis, rashes. It helps a lot with hyperpigmentation, and it actually tightens your face. It's like a natural Botox. That's what they call it, the natural Botox of the world. So I'm gonna put the exact measurements in the bottom, and yeah, I believe I want to use more than 2 scoops. So I'm gonna add some more. I want it to be majority the hibiscus more than the clay mask. And so I grinded it up. I had hibiscus leaves to drink because I drink that almost every morning. So I took some and I put it in like the little NutriBullet thingy, and I blended it up so that I could get it to use in the mask. So right now I'm just like squashing, like breaking up some of the parts that didn't grind up small enough on my face. So I would say I put 3 teaspoons. Teaspoons, right? Yeah, tea is small, okay. I put 4 teaspoons hibiscus and 1 teaspoon bentonite clay. And now I'm gonna add water. You can put apple cider vinegar or whatever, but I'm going to put the water in there first. But before I do that, I'm gonna rinse my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so I rinsed my face off. Everything is clean, clean surface, nothing on it. So I'm gonna add the water to it. Remember, I used boiled water. When I noticed is that it was fizzing up a little bit, the mixture. Maybe it's the hibiscus in the clay. So this is how it looks. Like that. So now I'm gonna add it to my face.
So let's get into the benefits of the hibiscus mask for the skin. It fights aging signs, improves an even skin tone, hydrates skin well, cleanses skin pores, tightens open skin pores, prevents acne, moisturizes the skin, and it controls inflammation. And because I am dealing with TSW, I wanted something that was going to help to tighten my skin, because one of the things that happens with TSW is your skin kind of stretches just from being so dry, and then you have something like elephant skin, and I was having that problem on my forehead. So I wanted to find certain masks that will help tighten my skin and improve my skin at the same time and clear my pores of any debris. This mask is amazing. I suggest you try it. It looks a little weird, but it definitely does what it's supposed to do. And after doing my research, they actually call it the Botox mask because it snatches you. So I love it. I'm going to continue doing it whenever I feel like I want to use it. And yeah, enjoy.
I'm gonna leave this mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, I got a little piece right there. So leave this red mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, and let's see what. Okay guys, so it's been 15 minutes and this is how it looks. Dries up. And now I'm going to wash my face. So now that my hibiscus mask is washed off, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the face scrub. And now we're going to be using baking soda, apple cider vinegar, and some water. It's bubbling up. I'm gonna take my spoon and mix it all up. This is the consistency of the mask that I'm gonna be putting on, the baking soda mask, to exfoliate my face. Just like that. And we're gonna keep this one on for 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be on long.
Okay, so the benefits of the baking soda mask: it helps clear acne and breakouts, helps tighten pores, adds a glow to your skin, mattifies oily skin if you suffer with oily skin, gets rid of dead skin cells, fights skin infections, and it aids in pain-free hair removal. I love baking soda. I remember when I started on my clean products journey, like about 6 years ago, this is always a staple. I use baking soda for a lot of things, cleaning my carpet, different things like that. But for the skin, it's definitely helpful. I would say if you're somebody who always has problems with stuff that's in the store, that's because it has additives. A lot of those products have additives, they have to be on the shelves. Or if they have a scent, sometimes you think they would use the essential oils, but definitely a lot of times they're just using synthetic things. So try making your own products and see what they do for your skin. It could be very helpful.
This one is kind of messy. Feel anything running, just, wipe it with your hands. And only 5 minutes, guys. That's all you need. And then you can rub it in. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, so I'm gonna rinse my face off and just slowly exfoliate a little bit. Don't exceed 5 minutes. If you do, don't exceed 10 minutes. So I finished washing my face, and this is a close-up. So what I did was I kind of went like this on my forehead lightly so I could get some of the skin off. But it looks really good and it feels really good. So yeah, look at this one gray hair So that's it, and now I'm going to take my shower. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, definitely subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want me to look for any masks for particular things. And yeah, have a good day, have a good night, have a good morning wherever you are. Later.